Today we're going to be looking at finding the rate of change from a table of values and a graph. This shouldn't be too long of one today. So let's take first from a table of values. Let's take a look at this example right here. Okay, we have Laura's swimming lengths to prepare for a triathlon, and basically what we have here is the number of lengths and the distance total that she has swam. So let's write this out. So number of lengths and total distance. So 0 lengths is a total distance of 0. 5 lengths would be 125 meters. 10 lengths would be 250. 15 lengths would be 375, and 20 lengths 500. Okay, so we know if we're looking for a rate of change, it's equal to the rise over the run on a graph. How much it goes up by how much it goes over by. Well, the rise is simply the change in my y values, or my dependence, over the change in x's. So how much it goes up by, the change in how much it goes up by the change of how much it goes over by. So in this case, a rate of change is equal to, well, let's first find my rise or my change in y's. Okay? So just pick 2 points. I am just going to ignore the rest of the graph right now, and I'm going to pick the first 2 points. Okay? How much did my y's increase by? Well, they increased by 125. By the way, I'm telling you this is a linear relation, but if you didn't know, we can just check the first differences. This also goes up by 125, 125, 125. Therefore, this is a linear relation, but that's not what's important right now. I'm telling you this is a linear relation, so we're looking for the rate of change. So we are looking at a rate of change. The rise, well, they go from 0 to 125. So it has a rate of change of 125. And now we're looking for the run, or the change in the x's, the dependent variable. So the run goes from 0 to 5. So that is a run of 5. So my rate of change is 125 over 5. Okay, remember what this stands for. This was a total distance of 125 meters, and this was 5 lengths. Well, a lot of times we want to simplify it too. So if I simplify it, you can divide it out or reduce it in fractions however you want to. This does divide out. If 125 divided by 5, it does leave 25 over 1, or just 25, but any numbers over 1 by itself. So 25 over 1. What this means is 25 meters is 1 length. And that's how you find your rate of change from a table of values. The change in y's over the change in x's. You only need 2 of the points. Now let's look at